Hello, this is JB with the Good News URL shortener, demonstrating how a conversion pixel works. So what we're going to do is create a short URL to the sign up page for creating a Good News account, which is this page here that is showing. Once this page is submitted, you will be taken to a thank you page that says their account has been created. This is the page that the conversion pixel will be put onto because this page will be shown on account creation to confirm that they did create an account. And then we want to record that conversion. So what we will do is first of all, let's get the conversion pixel. So I'm logged into my Good News account. I go to conversions, and you'll notice I have two tracking pixels because I have two different, I have a custom domain and I have the standard domain. The standard domain is hop2it, hop2.it, and then my custom domain is jbmckee.com. Now it's important that the domain that the conversion pixel uses is the same domain that you're using to create the short links. So I'm going to use the jbmckee.com uh, conversion pixel, and that's what I'm going to create the link as. So I just click here to copy. Now I go to edit my page, and I just paste that in to the page. Anywhere on the page is fine. Now, you'll see that if I refresh this page, there is nothing showing here. So it's an invisible single pixel that doesn't show up. So what we're going to do is create the link to the shortened to the account creation page. So I'm going to use the bookmarklet to create that. So that on this page here is what I want to link to, the sign up page. I'm going to create my shortened URL bookmarklet that opens up this page here. And you can see that it's pre-populated with the URL that I want. I'm going to put in a reference note that this is pixel demo, and it's going to use this domain jbmckee.com/y will be the link. I could put a different key in here, but I will just leave it at /y for now. So I click save, and now it's created. I click the copy button to copy this shortened link. Now I could close out of this, and we'll close out of this and demonstrate how the shortened URL works. So this is the shortened URL using my domain, jbmckee.com. I go to that domain, and now you can see that it has redirected to that page. Now, once this person that has been redirected here fills out the form and submits it, that will be a conversion, and they will be taken to the thank you page. So we go to the thank you page and we refresh it as if the person just visited it. Now, that means the conversion just happened. So we wanted to see if we recorded that. So here we go into our dashboard, go to our short URLs, and you can see the one that we created here was Y pixel demo. And let's click on the eyeball icon to view. And we notice here that we have a click report, that we have one click and one conversion. The country and the state haven't been filled in yet. That runs on a time every few minutes. That will be filled in if we waited a few minutes. So the click happened at this time on this date, and the conversion happened at this time on this date. And this QR code says that it was not a QR code that was being tracked. So let's click the eyeball. We can drill in a little bit more detail on this conversion. And you can see now that um, the location data has been filled in. So here's the IP address I was from, the click date. I was in the United States, in the state of Arizona, city of Apache Junction. Time zone is America, Phoenix. And this is the target URL that I went to. The conversion date, time, and that it was a QR code. No, it was not a QR code that we are tracking. And this here clicks to conversion means how many times did I, as a user, click on that short link before I converted. So I clicked on the short link one time and then I converted one time. So that number is 1. So that basically is how it works. In a nutshell, this allows you to track conversions for any shortened URL. Thank you for your time.